This is how you customize the climate settings in your Hyundai. From the main home screen, you're going to press Setup, Vehicle, Climate. You have a list here of 4 different items that you can select. Under Recirculate Air, it allows you to automatically prevent the washer fluid scent from entering the cabin when you use your washer fluid on your windshield. The second one, if you check it, it automatically blocks the air when entering a tunnel. We're going to go back. And the second one is automatic ventilation. The automatic dehumidify switches fresh air ventilation to decrease humidity after an extended use of recirculated air. That's a great feature to use in the summertime, especially if it's humid outside. Scheduled ventilation is nice because it will automatically ventilate the cabin at the scheduled time, and it will occur when the vehicle is off. You can press settings, and then you can set the time here that you want it to ventilate for fresh air at a scheduled time. This is going to be handy if it's really nasty and humid outside, or if there is a funky smell in the car. Like if you go get takeout and the food sits in the car for a while, you can schedule the ventilation so that it kind of cleans the air in the car before you get back in. Defog and defrost options. It will automatically activate the climate system to prevent the windshield from fogging up. I love that feature, especially when it's in the summertime and it's really humid. And then climate features, air conditioner auto dry automatically runs the fan after the vehicle is turned off to dry the inside of the AC and prevent mold growth. Great feature. I always recommend having that checked. So that is how to customize the climate in your Hyundai. Thanks for watching, everybody.